everyone, it's Tuesday today. Actually, I feel just like a princess holding this mirror. So this is my Tuesday makeup look, everyone. If you want to know this makeup look, just watch this video. This video, not video below. This video, and thank you so much always for passing by every time I do live, watching my videos. Thank you so much from my heart, everyone. And yeah, this is my daily routine in the morning. Taking shower breakfast, doing my makeup before I start my work because I want to look beautiful every day, everyone. So I love makeup, and makeup is my life and make me feel beautiful. Yeah. So have a lovely day and enjoy our holiday because here in Japan is Obon Yosumi, the summer holiday here in Japan. So let's take care, everyone. And also the news will be crazy what's is happening in this world. And yeah, let's be safe always and have fun. And yeah. I've been in Hone, and usually I've been in karaoke. I'm so very busy, and today I'm thinking what to do because everyone is very busy. So yeah, I'm waiting some I order online. So yeah, this is my day, and thank you so much, and have a lovely day every day. Okay, and let's be beautiful, and yeah, I always advise to everyone: less stress, be positive thinking, be happy, make you beautiful. Okay, and that's the secret of beauty. Yeah, and that's my secret. That's why I never entertain stress now because my age is getting up. And yeah, I want to get old faster. So yeah, thank you so much, everyone. And yeah, the secret of beauty is being happy, being positive thinking, being nice, being kind, being lovely, being sweet. You know? Yeah. I am sweet. Bye, everyone. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And yeah, watch this video and have a lovely day, ladies. Let's do makeup. Good morning, everyone. Very me, and this is my Tuesday look. And so today, I have very one. I know also travel and live travel. Thank you so much for speaking to travel live. So I'll share our channel. So here with me and this beautiful morning. At first, I'm really so much successful preparation of my front face. And after the event, I always say that very holding going to the line. Okay, ako today, one week sa pag kaya order night. Dito na kaya kung isang ulat. Tapos today, I'm have five wine. Wish you sa outfit para sa LRB. So this is my face. And this is my dark ocean, everyone. And I look crazy color. So for my skin, so where's the conditioner? Where's the conditioner? So yeah, this is your foundation. So yeah, the other one is under conditioner. I love it, everyone. Put stay away in the shower. I have it fast. I wake up before going before I start my day. So this is my foundation. This is your foundation. And next I apply my arrow, and this is my door. So the arrow light. Fine. What is my brush? I love this brush, everyone. My favorite brush. So this is my light. And this is the color. It's not for anything, this door. That's it. So I don't really want it. I don't know. And I'm not using this special. It is pretty I love this little that. That is very nice. Here it is. And this is very nice. So I shall call it this. I love this color. I love this color. This color, lamp color. You want this color, you want this color. Okay, and then blend brush. Just blend color and then small. I need the black and a sharp color. Fish feet and sharp. Okay, so you look at it. And then my black color. So I like the music. I like it. It's really nice. I love it. I love it too, my eyes. I love everything. Look at it. Nice. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cover it. So. Wait for my makeup. I'm going to look. I'll show you guys. Everything. So yeah, this is nice. So I have this, and this is really like, very like, okay, it's like, more and more. So I don't really like those matches on, so it could be more people everyone, and then, that's good. So this is how I apply my, not the color, because I use the color. Like it. So this is my notebook for tea. I think it's available for my Tuesday book. So this is my notebook. So I started here. So for me, my day night. This is what she brings to study. This is my face. I love it. Okay. Thanks a lot.